because I have these old yellow lights. I honestly have a lot of old yellow stuff in this RV, and that's why we've been working on it, because we own it. We're not making no payments, therefore we should be upgrading it, making it the way we want it. I can't really see right now, and they look good, but I'm telling you, dude, when I was in here last night, I'm like, whoa, the whole RV was lit up. For sure, I love these lights. But yeah, man, I'm loving it, dude. So now we are in the RV. Since we're able to have it at the house, we're about to go ahead and upgrade these lights. Shout out to my boy Justin RV Rentals. You can catch him on Instagram if you want to rent out an RV for the weekend anywhere out here in Cali. I mean, not anywhere in Cali, but I have seen people take his RVs far out. But he gave me the link for these because I have these old yellow lights. I honestly have a lot of old yellow stuff in this RV, and that's why we've been working on it, because we own it. We're not making no payments, therefore we should be upgrading it, making it the way we want it. I've done a lot of little things so far. Like I put the TV in here. It had no TV. We put the LED lights around, and then I added another TV right here in the front part. It was no TV in here at all. And then we have switched the ventilation system up here in the bathroom. So we got a brand new one, as you can see, compared to all these that are like old and yellow. So my goal is to switch these out. I'm gonna get these to make them all fresh white, and then we're about to upgrade the lights right here, so that way we can switch these out, and we're gonna work on our AC vents and everything else. So stay tuned for that, man. We got the bikes and everything up in here. We're gonna go out real soon, but I gotta make this thing the way I need it to be. And I've been sitting on these for a while, and like I got my new generator I've been using for a while. Even though this one comes with a generator that's under the bed on the left side, I have a brand new fuel pump and fuel regulator for that. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, just my opinion, since I had it, because I had it working when I first got it. I don't like the generator being up here in the front where I gotta lay down, when I can have the generator right there, all the way like a couple feet away from the RV. It's a huge difference, and I honestly like it like that. So I'm really not a fan of using the generator on here, but it is important to have that thing working when you need it. But like I said, man, we about to go ahead and get these lights down and see how it's about to work out. So we just tried to go ahead and switch out the lights in the RV. I don't know if them lights are the right ones for me to use in that one. They maybe need a higher voltage because they were not working, but it's all good, man. We're gonna go ahead and keep the yesterday we went ahead and installed the lights. I didn't get my exit video because I was so busy trying to hurry up. But we got all 5 of the lights finally up in here. I got one over there, two in the main bedroom, one up here. And we got 2 in the living room. Well, 3, 2 in the kitchen, then back there. But I have to go back on the internet and order the smaller ones like these. We're going to get those switched out and get everything on the way. I changed a lot of stuff outside of the RV, so I've been trying to get to everything little by little. That's why I added like the TVs, small little stuff. So like I said, I put a whole new ventilation system in the bathroom up here. It's fresh white with a new updated style. So I'm going to get the same thing going for all of these and the AC vents so everything could be what it honestly need to be. So stay tuned for that, man. We about to have this thing coming along. I honestly been looking at a lot of renovation videos. My boy Built by Ray always showed me a gang of them. And now I honestly want to do it because I have this thing at my house and I have a lot of things I've been waiting to do, like this floor I want to rip up and put a fresh new floor in here. And then I would love to honestly sand down this wood to change this another color. Because when you own it, you can do whatever you want. It's all on what you want to do. So it's like, that's the whole thing about it. We got to make it the way we want it. So when we go out, we can enjoy it every time that much more, man. But let me show y'all the lights, actually. I can't really see right now. And they look good, but I'm telling you, dude, when I was in here last night, I'm like, whoa, the whole RV was lit up. Easy, but luckily I got the solar panels to keep the battery charged so everything stay at a good percentage. So that's the main thing. But like I said, man, stay tuned. We about to get all this stuff on the way, y'all. I got to get this one new for sure. I love these lights. But yeah, man, I'm loving it, dude. We're going to keep getting it the way we need it to be. But I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'm going to have a lot more updates coming to y'all because we about to renovate this thing little by little, man.